Right, rather than tripod, I'm going to show you what I wanted to do with all points and what have you. And as near as I could get them, it's pretty straight, you know. Does that pick it up? That's this side, isn't it? Look. And it's coming along the other side. It's so big now. There we go. Not like still on it. Maybe new cameras have stability stuff on them, don't they? Now that's that side, right? I did that one first time, but I learned by mistakes on this side. This is far tighter to fit it all in, but I'll just, you know, show you. Look at those coaches. Oh, they've come undone. Hang on a minute. Perfect. Number 2. Stop. And come back. Right, we just saw, for some reason it came disconnected. No, super duper bad, was it? That will just show you the straightness of those straight-ish. I could crawl on this thing. I wonder why it came undone. There might be all sorts of bits on track, you know. Right. Gear it on other one. I love this thing. Right, let's just get going. I'll just show you this straightness bit again. Can you see how it's straight-ish? It's as straight as I'm going to get it anyway. And then looking at how they go along here, that one there, I'm going to take some curve out of it now because that is way too tight. But I have altered some of that, you won't really notice much. I've even started thinking to move this point further over here and pull that over, then let the tracks sort of split up there, sort of thing. But we shall see. It's good for the head, it's doing all this, you know. Oh, it's disconnected again. Whoa, something's going on, isn't it? Right, I bet I've got something on track there, so this is end of this video.